Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be cooking Nigeria party jollof rice. To cook the jollof rice, we need the following ingredients. First, I start by adding the meat and chicken to the pot. And then I will need to blend all the spices together. Add the blended spices to the meat, the seasoning powder, curry powder, salt, and bay leaf. Stir everything together. I will take it to my electric cooker. Leave it to cook for some minutes before adding water. Then I will go straight to my tomato. Here I have onion, ginger, habanero pepper, red bell pepper, and tomato paste for the stew. So I will blend everything together. After blending, I will just pour everything to the pot, take it to my cooker and boil it for about 30 minutes. After that, now it's time for me to add more water to the meat because we need the stock to cook the rice. Now the meat is already done. It's time for me to fry the meat. On the other side of my cooker, I want to parboil the rice. After frying the meat, I will just go straight and fry my stew. Just add the onion to the hot oil. Now I'm adding my tomato paste. Just stir everything together, leave it to cook for like 2 minutes. Then add my boiled tomato. After a few minutes, now I'm adding my seasoning cubes, my curry powder and salt, crayfish. Just stir everything together, cover and leave it to cook. Now I'm adding my meat stock, stir, cover it. It's time for us to add our parboiled rice inside the stew. Just mix everything together, stir, add more water if needed, then cover. This tomato that I'm frying here is for my beef meat. Now I'm adding the beef meat. Just stir everything together and that is done. Because I like vegetable in my jollof rice, I will be adding green beans, carrots, spring onion and minced bell pepper. I just add the carrots and the green beans first. I'm stirring everything together. Cover with foil paper because we are cooking with the heat. Yeah, it's time for me to add my minced bell pepper, my spring onion. Just stir everything together. Oh my God, this jollof rice tastes so good. I'm adding butter. Cover again with the foil paper. Leave it for like 2 minutes. My jollof rice is ready. This jollof rice tastes so good. Thank you all for watching. Please like my video, subscribe, click on the notification bell so whenever we upload you will be notified. See you all in my next video. Bye.